Explanation for the Canterbury Tales Danger of the Single Story assignment. For this assignment, you are going to complete a character foil of two of the characters from the Canterbury Tales. If you're not sure what a character foil is, a foil is basically a person who contrasts another character in order to make various traits in each character more apparent. So in other words, they complement each other. So in the Canterbury Tales, and we've gone over both of these characters, the parson and the monk are religious figures, but one is a good example of a holy man, while the other is a satirical criticism of religious leaders and their behaviors. So Chaucer is avoiding the single story here by providing stories and backgrounds of two different types of religious figures. So before you even start this assignment, do not skip down to these parts, okay? You are not going to do well in them unless you complete this in order. So the first thing you need to do is you need to read a, the part from the general prologue about both the monk and the parson, okay? They're not very long. We're talking a page each, okay? Once you've done that, I want you to analyze each character. So for part one, this is worth 15 points. You're going to answer these questions for each quote below. What does the quote tell you about the character? What trait or quality is revealed in the quote? And what kind of person is he? And you're going to analyze each one of these quotes that is in this assignment. So you'll analyze these four quotes, and then you'll analyze these four quotes, and you'll have to answer the questions. What does it tell you about the character, and what trait or quality is revealed in the quote? All right. Then for part two, you're gonna answer this question about each religious leader, and you're gonna see the difference about which one is shed in a more positive light and which one is portrayed in a more negative light. Once you've done that, then you are good to go and you can submit your work. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or Mrs. Vallis. We are more than happy to help you out. Thank you so much, and we look forward to reading your assignment.